Once again beautifully. Gold traded precisely in the range I shared today morning. 1795 was the level beyond which I asked you to stay long, and the levels to go short were precisely at 1784 levels. Now, can you look at the range? Precisely traded in the same zone. This is a no trade zone where gold is still struggling to decide the direction. So I hope you all profited. Now see, US 30 and US 100 also are likewise. They have seen a rise, now trying to trade with a drop, but let's see if it goes bounce back. And we will decide the strategy for the US cash session for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end and do press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest updates. The most important weekly analysis will be released tomorrow. Do watch that also. Definitely it helps set the direction for the week. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100. In the end, Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start here. This is the early. Look at this on the early charts, again failing to go past this zone, but at the same time you can also see lower highs and a flat bottom. It is trying to consolidate here, and again I will say, do not trade between 1784 to 1795 precisely. Till the time it trades in between this zone, I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge crossover. Stochastic is at bottom and it is oversold. The MACD is wide, divergent and bearish. RSI is sloping downwards, indicating little bearishness. So couple of indicators are bearish, while couple are still signaling that it is oversold and may bounce back. Look at the 2-hour charts, bottom there. And see, it has completed this journey till here, and soon it will give a breakout. If not today, then possibly next week we may see a breakout, and see, it is beautifully curving like this. Hence, either it has to break out beyond 1795 now, or it has to break down below 1784 for it to resume the bearish trend. And then the next target is definitely towards 1775, 1764, and then below that it may see a crash above 1795. Yes, again it is bullish. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is moderately bearish. It is just again try to diverge. RSI is looking downwards. Likewise, if you look at the 3-hour charts, so look at the 3-hour charts, almost similar formation, minor retracement, minor drop, and precisely trading in this triangle, in this channel. And see, always I have told you it is trading in this zone. Yes, any breakout beyond 1795, go along there. Any breakdown below 1784, go short here. In fact, now this time if you see it trading above 1792 itself, you can go long, but be cautious of 1795. Beyond that, you can expect again 1800 and plus levels. On the downside, once it drops below 1784, you can go short, and then 1780, 1775 levels should come into picture. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic again looking downwards. MACD is bearish on the 3-hour charts. RSI is looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it appears somehow that we may see a drop from here, as after this retracement, first red candle and second red candle in formation. Always, this is the second red candle. There is a probability that it may come back till towards 1780, the third red candle, and then a bounce back can be seen. So I'll be watchful. Yes, you can go short at 1785-84 zone. Below 1784, yes, you can expect a little drop, but remember 1780 level should provide a support, and below that we may see it dropping till towards 1775. Directional movement, if you see, directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is comfortable yet looking downwards. The MACD is bearish here, and if you look at the RSI, this is also looking downwards. Coming back to the daily candle. Now look at the daily charts. Here it has shown a reversal. This is what I had explained, one candle, and this is almost symmetry. It is formed. It is trying to form a symmetry, higher lows. So now possibly it is trying to achieve 1780, and in fact if it drops below 1718, you can expect till towards 1775 zone. It can come back to 1775, and the next support below 1775 is 1780. If it is really bearish, it may try to break below 1770. If it is not, it may still try to continue in this bullish channel. Now look at the bullish channel on the daily chart. So this is how it is trading. The support here at 1784.85, and then 1780 is strong, and below that 1775, the next support zone will come into picture. I see that probably it may go back till towards 1780 and trade sideways till then. Beyond 1780, yes, you can still expect a drop, but see below 1784.85, definitely we can expect 1780, 1775 levels. However, achieving 1775 is less likely, but 1780 definitely is there. Below that, yes, 1775 and 1770. Actual bearishness is only if it breaks below 1770, that is a trend reversal, then you can expect it to resume the bearish trend next week also. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. Now look at the weekly candle here. See, higher highs, higher lows. Now in fact there is a possibility for it to achieve till towards 1770, which it has failed to go. See, it has achieved the high, it has to achieve the bottom, which is right now at around 1770, 1775. And yes, there is a possibility that it may close the week at around 1780 and in fact go back till towards 1775 and bounce back and close the week at 1780-85 levels. So that is what we will look forward, and only long entry is above 1795. Beyond that you can go long, you can expect it to rise for 1800, 1808 levels, and then beyond that it will fly for 1820, 1833. On the downside, go short at 1785, expect it to hit 1780, and then below 1780 you can expect 1775 and 1770 levels, but a bounce back from 1775 or 1770 zone can be expected. Be cautious, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. This is the hourly chart for US 100. Now you can clearly see this is also a bullish triangle. This is also an expanding triangle where the bullishness is still there. Only and only if you see it trading below 13,300, that is the level at which you can go short. Below 13,300, the next target is towards 13,250 and then 13,200. Be watchful of this zone. Below 13,200, you can expect that it is directly going to land for 13,050. Now look at this on the hourly charts. Lower highs, higher lows, trying to look forward to a breakout. So where to go long? Yes, you can go long at 13,380 levels. Beyond 13,380, you can stay long. Rather, I will say go long at 13,400. Beyond that, you can stay long for 13,440, 450 zone, and beyond that, it will fly on the upside. Else, on the downside, yes, this is possible that if it drops below 13,300, you can go short. So almost 13,300 to 400, do not trade. Directional movement bullish but willing to converge. Stochastic is at overbought and now looking to drop, and that is why we can see two red candles. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts. See, this candle is precisely a breakout candle from this minor trend. And remember it, see, one must observe how it has behaved here on the 2-hour charts. A strong breakout, a rally, a strong drop, it has covered this complete move, a retracement, and now it is trying to take a further drop from here. So possibly once it drops below 13,300, then only I will recommend you to go short. Then you can definitely expect it to achieve 13,220, 13,200 level. Very good support, very strong support at this zone. If it drops below 3,200, stays below it, you can further remain short for next week also. Expected to hit 13,050 levels. Directional movement bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic overbought, looking downwards. MACD is bearish. RSI is too, sloping downwards, indicating little bearishness. If you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See, this is a breakout. Yes, it's fine. This is a breakout. Also, the previous candle failed to achieve the highs and retraced from there. So yes, if you see it trading above the zone, possibly once it trades beyond 13,370, 380 zone, yes, you can go long, but then 13,420 levels should be a very strong resistance there. That may be the channel high, and beyond that it will definitely fly. Also on the downside, only short entry I will recommend is below 13,300. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, it is divergent. RSI is also sloping downwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Very important to understand. See the rise, a strong sharp red candle, a smaller rise or retracement. Then what you can expect? You can expect if it is really bearish, it may break strongly. Then 13,200 levels can be expected. Below 13,300, go short, expect it to reverse. Else beyond 13400 you can expect it to rise more. Now look at this, see it has formed a higher low here. So higher lows indicates that it can reverse again, and this time if it reverses, it can give you very sharp green candle. So either which ways it trades, it is going to be a very sharp candle, and yes, you can go long. And but see, I will still expect 13300 13420 levels to be a very strong resistance. Yes, you can go long at 13370, expect it to get the resistance at 13400 13420 zone, and if it flies beyond 13420, you can further remain long and then expect 13500 plus level. On the downside, go short at 13300, expect 13200 levels directly. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is at bottom trying to rise. MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is at moderate levels. Look at the daily charts. Now, see, the previous candle saw a pullback, but what it did is it expanded the Bollinger Bands there. Previously, which was a not so expanded move, but look also at 13400, one candle, two candle, third candle. 13400 is the very strong resistance. I have told in my weekly analysis also 13400 you should watch out for. And yes, if it trades beyond 13400, then 13500 13550 levels should be seen. Again today you can go long at 13370, expect 13400 420 zone to provide a resistance. Beyond that, definitely one can further remain long, and then one can expect 13500 levels. And if you look at the indicators here, directional movement bullish, stochastic is looking upwards again. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell, and RSI is overbought. Considering this, go long at 13370, but remember 13400 13420 should provide a very strong resistance. Either you can take a short entry there, but be cautious. And a comfortable short entry is only once it drops below 13300. Once it drops below 13300, you can further remain short, and then I will expect 13200, 13120 and 13050 levels. So do not trade between 13300 and 370 levels. In fact, rather, if you want to be a little bit comfortable, 13300 to 13420 do not trade. Take your positions accordingly in between this zone. If you are enjoying the swing, you have to put the trade with the stop loss and with the trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at the hourly charts, 33500. Now this is standing as a wall out there for US30. Any move beyond 33520, go long. So if you see it trading beyond 33520, go long there and expect it to rise for 33600 and 700 levels. On the downside, remember it is bearish. It is still trying to trade and get the support here at 33400. So do not trade between 33400 to 33520 zone. Stochastic overbought looking downwards, MACD trying to cross over, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, remember this, a rise, then a retracement, then a lower highs, and now a retracement. So first thing is, it may get the support here at 33300, which is a very strong support. Below 33300, you can expect it to drop for 33200, and then below that we can expect 33050 and 33000 levels. So only long entry, only buy entry I will recommend today is above 33520. Till the time it trades below 33520, do not go long. And yes, you can go short at 33400, expect 33350 first support, 33300 second support, and below that you can expect 33200 and 33050 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought trying to look downwards, MACD bearish, RSI is looking downwards here. Likewise, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see retracement, lower highs trying to drop. So if it trades below 33520 this time, you can stay short and you can expect it to drop further. This is skewed on the one side, and we can either see similar size of candle here, which might take it till towards 33200, or in fact 33100 050 levels also can be seen. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge, stochastic looking upwards, MACD has crossed over and it is trading with a divergence indicating bearishness. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, interestingly, the previous candle, the body size was less than half of the complete candle move, indicates that the bulls are not there to take the charge out there. But look at this, there is a support for this channel bottom at 33,400, and hence I will recommend you to go short at 33,400, but be cautious of 33,360 and then 33,300. So 350, 360 and 33,300, be watchful. Below 33,300 you can expect a sharper drop which will bring it till towards 33,200 and below levels. Direction movement bullish, stochastic is bottom trying to rise, MACD is willing to converge crossover, RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. So far for the day, lower highs, higher lows, probability of rising till towards 33,600, 580 is there. Go long at 33,500, expect at least 70, 80 to 100 points. 33,600 can be achieved. Beyond 33,600, it can further rise for 33,700 levels. But yes, if you see it trading below 33,300, then you have to go short. There is no other option. So in fact, you can take a short entry here at 33,400 itself. Below 33,400, you can expect 33,360, and below that you can expect 33,300 levels. But be cautious of 33,360 and 33,300. It can bounce back from these levels. Breaking below 33,300, go short for 33,200, and then you can expect it to in fact further drop till towards 33,050 levels. So only long entry is towards 33,520 levels, but then you have to be cautious of 33,580, 600. You can in fact take a short entry at 33,580, 600 and expect it to drop sharply. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought. Hence, if you see it trading some point at 33,580, 600 zone, either I will recommend you to take a short entry, but trade with caution. If it breaks past 33,650, you have to exit the short entry there. So largely a swing zone between 33,300 and 33,600, and either you can take a short entry at around 33,600 levels, expect it to drop, but any drop below 33,300 it will drop heavily, and then 33,200, 33,050 levels can be expected. In fact, it can go below 33,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details on both. Lifetime technical support you will get if you join the mentorship batch, so do not miss it. And yes, reach out to me for both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.